Good morning, students. Today in your math class, I will start with chapter 5 division. Today I will take word problems. So we will do extra practice of word problems so that you can understand what is the concept of division in the problem sums. So the first question is, Rani has 55 lollipops. She wants to distribute them equally among her 5 friends. How many lollipops will each of them get? Now I will explain this in Hindi. रानी के पास 55 लॉलीपॉप्स हैं. वह अपने 5 फ्रेंड्स के बीच में ये इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना चाहती है. तो आपको बताना है कि हर एक फ्रेंड को कितने लॉलीपॉप्स मिले. तो what will be the statement? Number of lollipops distributed among 5 friends. So जो 5 फ्रेंड्स हैं उनमें कितने लॉलीपॉप्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड हुए? 55. नंबर ऑफ लॉलीपॉप्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड अमंग 1 फ्रेंड. फिर एक फ्रेंड में कितने डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हुए? 55 इज डिवाइडेड बाय 5. So first I have put the division symbol. 55 I have written inside and 5 is outside. Here 5 is divisor and 55 is dividend. Now I will take this 5. Does 5 comes in the table of 5? Yes. Add 1. So 5 ones are 5. I will do subtraction here. 5 minus 5, 0. Now 0 is here but I have one more digit here. So I will bring that digit down here along with 0. I will write 5. So again I will see 5 comes at 1. So I will write minus 5 here. I will do subtraction. 5 minus 5, 0. So my remainder is 0 and my answer is 11. So you can see that this answer is the lollipop. 11 lollipops will each friend get. कितने लॉलीपॉप एक फ्रेंड को कितने लॉलीपॉप मिलेंगे? 11. And how we come to know that? What we have to do? I will show you the question again. Rani has 55 lollipops. She wants to distribute them equally among her 5 friends. So distribute. Distribute means bante. Equally. Equally she wants to distribute. How many lollipops will each? एक फ्रेंड को कितना मिलेगा? And whenever we are talking about one friend, so we will do division here. So after writing the statement, I have shown the division here also, and the answer is 11 lollipops will each friend get. तो एक फ्रेंड को कितने लॉलीपॉप्स मिलेंगे? 11. And from where we get 11? By dividing 55 with 5. I hope you can understand because I have taken the easiest question so that you can understand what is the concept of division. Now I will show you the second one also. 336 apples were packed in 8 baskets with the same number of apples in each basket. How many apples did each basket hold? 336 एप्पल्स जो हैं वो 8 बास्केट में पैक किए गए हैं विद द नंबर ऑफ सेम नंबर. मीन्स कि एक बास्केट में सेम नंबर हमने एप्पल के पैक किए हैं और हमने अब ये बताना है कि एक बास्केट में कितने आपने एप्पल को पैक किया है. आई रिपीट, 336 एप्पल्स वर पैक्ड इन 8 बास्केट with the same number of apples in each basket. How many apples did each basket hold? So each basket, so this each belongs to the division because we have to calculate each basket occupation. Each basket hold कि एक basket में कितनी hold हुई हैं, कितने apples आए हैं. We have to calculate of one basket, quantity of one basket. So we will do division here. And first of all we will write the statement number of apples in 8 baskets. Now you can see that we have total number of apples are there. So 8 basket में number of apples is equal to 336. Number of apples in one basket is equal to 336 is divided by 8. Now I have shown the calculation below. 336 is the dividend, that is inside the symbol, and 8 is the divisor, that is outside the symbol. So first of all I have taken 3. We know that 3 is smaller than 8, so it doesn't come in the table of 8. We can't take 3 in the table of 8. So what will I do? I will take the next digit. So what is the number? It's 33. So now I will repeat the table of 8 in my mind. Does 33 come in the table of 8? No. But here is one number that comes in the table of 8, but that is smaller than 33. And the number that comes in the table of 8 is 32. And 32 comes in the table of 8 at 4. Means 8 4s are 32. So I will write 32 below 33. Now I will do subtraction. 3 minus 2. Now students, keep one thing in your mind. Start doing subtraction from the left side. From the right side, sorry. 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. So I have done the subtraction here. 3 minus 3 is 0. And after subtracting 3 minus 2, I have got 1. So again 1 is less than 8. So what will I do? I will bring down 6 here along with 1. So now what is the number? 16. Now 16 comes in the table of 8 at 2. 8 2s are 16. Then again I will do the subtraction here. Minus sign you have to put. 16 minus 16 is 0. So answer is 42 apples held in one basket. कि एक basket में कितने apple आए? 42. Because 42 is the answer. That is the quotient of the division. So 42 is the answer. 42 apples held in one basket. So students, I have done these two sums only in this class. Next time I will do the other two sums. Slowly and steadily we will win the race. Means if we will do practice slowly, we will understand the concept of division. So please be careful while doing the sum. Thank you.